Canva photo editing tutorial step by step for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be giving you a tutorial on canva.com, how you can edit your photos and more. So let's get into it. First of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go to canva.com and you will land right here. Canva.com is a platform that allows you to edit photos, videos, you can create presentations, logos, invitation cards, and much more. Today we'll focus on photo editing using canva.com. Once you sign up for Canva, this is where you can sign up using your email address or your Google account. So once you're on Canva, when it comes to the photos, you can upload a photo by going to the projects here. You will click on projects. That is the easiest way to kind of like go for the photos. Now you will go to the images right here. Once you go to images, it'll show you the images that you have uploaded. So you can see all of these images and we can add new from the top option here. You can also search at the top bar and you can search for images and it will take you to edit the photos. We will click on add new and it will allow us to upload a video or a photo. So I'll upload a photo from my computer. Okay, so the image is being uploaded here. Once the image is uploaded, you can just click on it and it will open up the quick edit option for you. And there you go. We have our own this small canvas where we can edit the photos. We can do a lot with it. We can remove the background. There is, different filters and effects. So what we'll do is, first of all, you can see we have the Pro tools that we're getting, and we have the Remove Background and Magic Eraser. So if you have a Pro, you'll be able to even remove the background. So I'm just going to click on it, and you will see that it will get rid of the background in just one click. There you go. Background has been removed. If I want to erase something, then we can use the Magic Eraser. For instance, I wanted to remove this. So you can see it will remove it. And there you go. Now we'll actually undo this one and cancel. Then we can choose the filters. So if you want to add different filters to your photos, you can do that with this option here. And we can even choose the intensity of the filter that we're adding. Then we have effects. In effects, we have shadows, autofocus, and blur. Then we also have the dew tone. So let's say I wanted to go with shadows. In shadows, we have different options. We have glow, we have draw, we have outline too. Then we have the autofocus where I'll be getting the blur intensity and focus position. So if I want to kind of like blur the intensity, if I want to blur more, then you can see I will just do this. And when it comes to the focus position, I can change it. Maybe I want to blur the person. So I'll select this and then I can, blur from here. So this is how it works. Then we have the dew tone here. So that allows me to change the tone of my picture. Then we have adjust. Click on adjust and then you'll be able to auto adjust the image. We have temperature, tint, different effects that we can add, different controls. We can change the brightness of the image. This is the photo editing. You can see I can make it a little bit brighter. We can change the contrast to this. We have highlights that I can decrease or increase. Similarly, we have our shadows, whites, blacks, color, where we have vibrance, saturation, clarity, vintage, and we can even crop the image. When it comes to the cropping, you can go with the freeform and crop anything, or you can go with the 1:1, 16:9, 5:4, and others too. So you can see once you're done with the editing, click on done. And there you go, your photo will be edited. We can do a lot with the photo editing when it comes to Canva, and this is like the quick way to do so. But if you wanna, do more, you can actually open up the canvas, the main editor that we have, and you can actually add the text, you can add different elements to your photo. So once you're done with this one, you're gonna click on save to Canva or download. So we're going to save it to Canva so that we don't have to upload it again. This way you can edit your photos and then use these photos to within your, work that you're doing. Now at the top here, I'm going to search for, now let's create a new design and use this image. So now we are inside our canvas on Canva. This is our like main editor. We have design, elements, upload, text, draw, projects, and more. And we're gonna go to uploads, go to images, and you'll be able to find the image that we just edited. Click on the image and it will be added to your canvas. So now if you wanna do some more editing with your photo, then you can use different elements, such as we have different frames. So if you want to add your image, if you want to change the shape, then you can use different frames. For instance, I'm going to scroll down a little bit to this one. Select the frame, place it, select the image and drop it right here over the frame. And it will be added within that. So now you can see my image has been changed into this. We can change the background color. So for that, we can even, go with the transparent background, and then after that, we can change the background color. So if you want to do that, you can really easily. So now I can maybe, select a color from here, which is going to be this one. If I want to add text to my image, I will click on go to like add heading, and I'm going to go with the text, and then we can change the text font from the top, and we can place it here. Let's change the color. There you go. We can add different elements as well, different stickers, and this way you can create a social media post. Click on right click, and then you can take this image in the front. And now you can see an image has been created. This way we can create social media posts really easily. Once the image is done, click on share, click on download, and you can download this as PNG. And your image will be downloaded. So this is how we can edit photos in Canva. You can either go with the quick photo editing option, or you can open up the Canva editor and add different elements into it to play around with your photo and make it more professional and fun. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to do everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.